Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on your 3DS and opening system settings. This is where saved data lives. Once in settings, tap Data Management to access game and application files. You do this because saves are managed centrally, not inside each cartridge. Make sure to choose the correct storage type, system memory or SD card, before proceeding, since selecting the wrong one can hide the data you need. Now move to the software section to find the specific game save you want to remove. Once in the software list, scroll until you find the exact game title. Pay attention if it's a downloadable or cartridge copy because save locations differ. You select the game, then pick Manage Data or Delete Save Data. Do not delete the entire title unless you intend to remove the game. You proceed this way to avoid losing purchased content. Confirm the selection when prompted. That confirmation is deliberate to prevent accidental loss. After confirmation, the system will remove the save and return you to the list. You finalize the process by confirming deletion and waiting until the system reports completion. Abrupt power-offs can corrupt data. Once done, restart the 3DS or reinsert the cartridge to ensure the console recognizes the change. If the save didn't delete or saves appear missing, make sure you check the correct storage, SD versus system, and inspect the SD card for errors. Use a PC to run a simple scan. If problems persist, restore from a backup or seek professional repair to avoid further data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.